Why should one pursue science after their 12th or after their graduation? What is the scope of research and innovation in the field of science? Why science should be pursued to create civilians for the betterment of human species? We will discuss all of this and much more in the final episode of Vartalap. Vartalap, a special podcast series brought to you by Silver Oak University. To discuss about scope and eligibility criteria of science and why should one pursue it, together with me is Dr. Manthan Panchal. He is currently the Dean of Silver Oak Institute of Science. Namaste sir, it's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you ma'am for inviting me over here ma'am.
Let's start with a very basic thing. You have a very interesting definition of science that you were discussing with me offline. Let's also share that with the world. What science means to you?
So from my point of view, science means someone who receive or consume the knowledge through experimentation, questioning and reasoning. So by using the science, we can understand how the nation works from tiniest atom to the vast universe. So basically, if I'm talking about the chemistry branch, so generally chemistry students learn how the reactions mix the medicines. At the same time, physics students learn or to explore how the gravity shapes the universe. So in terms of research, science always create the wonders. They always create the discoveries. For example, COVID-19 vaccines. We all know by using these vaccines, we can save millions of lives. So from my point of view, science is not just about the learning facts. It's all about the questionings, experimentations and reasonings. So by using this science, we can save the future as well.
What are the subjects or what are the specializations or the kind of programs, levels of programs that run in Silver Oak Institute of Science?
At Silver Oak Institute of Science, we are offering two programs. One is BSc program and second is MSc program. And under BSc program, we are having various disciplines like we are offering BSc in Chemistry, Physics, Maths, MicroBiology and Biotechnology. And in MSc program, we are offering Analytical Chemistry, Organic Chemistry, Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Microbiology, Physics and Mathematics.
If we talk about the eligibility criteria, I'm very sure it differs for MSc and BSc. If you can also talk about that.
So first and foremost criteria is students has to complete their 12th science. If students are completed their 12th science with PCM group like Physics, Chemistry and Maths, in that case students are eligible to get the admission in BSc in Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics. And if students are cleared their 12th in PCB group, in that context we are providing admission in Physics, Chemistry, Microbiology and Biotechnology as well. And for MSc program point of view, students has to complete just the BSc only.
Okay, BSc in any
field.
Any
of the discipline. If students are going to complete their BSc in Chemistry, in that context we are providing the admission in MSc Chemistry, in MSc Organic Chemistry or Analytical Chemistry.
If we also talk about how does the fees look like, is there a trimester system or a semester system or it is an annual program, how does it change?
Currently in UG program is the semester based program. And in MSc also the semester program, like 4-semester program.
And if I talk about research and innovation, what are the capabilities of Silver Oak Institute of Science to promote students who want to get into research after their bachelor's, master's?
At Silver Oak Institute of Science, we deeply committed to fostering research culture among the students. So, for example, at Silver Oak Institute of Science, we are having various innovation-driven laboratories. We are also having the university level, we are having the research and development cell as well. So with the collaboration of research and development cell and department, we are organizing various conferences, seminars, expert talks to provide the research skills to the students. Apart from that, students are also working under the mentorship of various experienced faculties for their research project work. We are also having the dedicated incubation center as well. We are also having the IPR cell. So yes, we are also connect our students with the industry leaders, research scientists, so that students are also aware what kind of activities currently happening in the market and in the industries. So all kind of opportunities we are providing to the students.
If I talk about the starting salary of a fresher after they complete their bachelor's and after they complete their master's, how does it look like for BSc and MSc students?
So for that context point of view, I would like to elaborate with respect to the program. First, after the completion of BSc and MSc program, students are having the ample of opportunities with respect to the academic sectors, industry sectors and research sectors. Yes, that is depends on the students' interest as well and specialization of their subject. So after the completion of BSc program, most of the students are enrolled themselves in the master's program. And yes, students are also eligible to get the job in various pharmaceutical sectors, healthcare sectors, agriculture sectors, as well as the dyes and pigment sectors as well. And after the completion of MSc program, students are eligible to get the job in various national as well as central research laboratories like Physical Research Laboratories (PRL), ISRO, DRDO, Bhabha Atomic Research Center (BARC). Apart from that, there are multiple research laboratories available in the India like CSMCRI Bhavnagar, NCL Pune. So there are so many opportunities available with respect to the research center as well. After the completion of MSc program, students are also eligible to clear the national examinations such as NET, GATE and JAM. Once students are completed their NET examination, students are eligible to get the admission in the PhD program. And as far as the salary is concerned, for after the completion of BSc program, most of the students are received 20 to 25k per month, and for MSc program, starting from the 25k to 80k per month. That, again, that depends on the field of the subject. Like if students are going to enroll themselves in the centralized laboratories like ONGC, IFCO, IOCL, HPCL, in that context, they are providing the more than 50k per month to the students.
Let's also try to understand about the internship. A lot of students in other programs, when they have enrolled for Silver Oak University, they go for internship. So is it mandatory for science students as well, and how does the institute promote internship?
To ensuring the students securing the internship, job opportunities and research opportunities point of view, at the university level we are having the dedicated training and placement cell. And yes, with the help of training and placement cell, we connect our students with the various prestigious companies for their internship program as well as the placement point of view. And some of the companies are also provide the stipend based internship as well. With the help of training and placement cell, we are organize various skill development program as well, so that students will receive various technical skills as well as the soft skills for their job point of view. We also conduct the mock interviews as well, so that students are well prepared for their final interviews. We also called so many experts from the various industries, and the experts are also provide the suitable guidance and inputs related to the what kind of activities currently happening in the industries and currently what kind of problems they are facing. We are also having the strong alumni network as well, and the alumni also provide the mentorship to our students as well, and sometimes they also open the new windows with respect to the internship and job point of view as well.
And if I talk about the duration of the programs of BSc and MSc, how does it look like?
So we are following the NEP 2020. So as per NEP 2020, our UG programs are 8 semester program, and our PG program are 4 semester program.
If I talk about Silver Oak Institute of Science, I'm very sure you know what it is doing for its students is different from the rest of the universities and institutions. What do you want to talk about in terms of the faculty competency at Silver Oak Institute of Sciences, and if there is any success stories from the students' point of view as well, in terms of research, in terms of their grades, in terms of their internship that you would like to share?
So we are having ample of stories with respect to the students and with respect to the faculties. So starting from the students, many students already secured their position in top research laboratories as well as the pharmaceutical industries. My students also published research article in various prestigious journals. They also cleared central level examinations such as NET, GATE and JAM. One of the students are currently also working in IIT Madras also. Our students are also successfully completed their internship at various national and government laboratories like Indian Council of Medical Research, Ahmedabad, Central Leather Research Institute, Chennai, CSMCRI, Bhavnagar, IIT Roorkee, the GSBTM. Some of the students from the biotechnology department also successfully completed their GSBTM sponsored internship as well. From the physics department point of view, more than 50 students successfully completed their ISRO START program that is handled by the ISRO. And I'm happy to share that Silver Oak Institute of Science act as a nodal center for 3 consecutive years for this ISRO START program. Apart from that, one of the students from chemistry department already started their own business related to the food industries. And if I'm talking about the faculty, one of the faculty member from the chemistry department, Dr. Acharya, received the international recognition certificate from the international publication house, that is Wiley, as her research article is one of the top most downloaded article during first 12 months of the publication. If I'm talking about the microbiology department, one of the faculty member from the microbiology department, Dr. Pithawala, received grants from the Gujarat Environment Management Institute under the minor research grant. Dr. Pandya received the grants from the Guj Coast to organize state level workshop for full scope design and development. We also received grants from the GAMI, that is Gujarat Environment Management Institute, to organize FDP under Mission Life. Faculty member from the biotechnology department, Dr. Raut, currently heading the biotechnology department, received grants from the GSBTM to organize the national level conference on genetic engineering. Dr. Shar received the grants from the Immunology Society of India to celebrate the International Immunology Day. One of the faculty member for physics department, Dr. Desai, received the mentorship certificate from the prestigious international conference which is held in the USA, and many of the faculties are received so many grants, awards from the prestigious journal as well.
There are so many students and parents who are confused about what to do after their 12th, right? What is that one or two or three reasons that you can share with our viewers about why should they go for BSc?
As I told, BSc programs are having the various disciplines. So as per NEP, we are offering the major subject, minor subject, skill enhancement courses, value added courses, ability enhancement courses. So after the completion of BSc program, students are having the ample of opportunity in healthcare sectors, agriculture sectors, textile sectors, and after the completion of MSc program, again students are having the opportunity in various centralized research laboratories. And if students are going to pursue their PhD program, so in that context students are also having the opportunity is in various research laboratories as well.
As you started with the podcast, you mentioned science for you is not just only about studying facts and figures. It's also about experimenting, coming to a conclusion, and then using that study for the betterment of the community. What are the challenges that you think that the regional and local people are facing, maybe at global level also the people are facing, and how do you think that Silver Oak Institute of Science are creating those students or scientists or researchers or innovators or maybe business professionals as well, who will make sure that this earth is a far better place to live in?
So for that prospect, currently I am providing some of the example related to the global challenges. For example, farmers always struggles with the low crop yield just because of the poor soil condition. Second is related to the purification of water. Always child available at the rural village area always facing the problem related to the pure drinking water. Likewise, many of the industries are still polluted the air. So there are so many realistic problems, and to resolve these realistic problems demands realistic solution as well. So, and this is where Silver Oak Institute of Science comes in the picture. As I earlier told, my faculties are highly qualified. So under the mentorship of these faculties, my students also working in various research sector as well, like food and agriculture sectors. My students currently working in the organic farming techniques and biofertilizers. Their techniques are certainly helpful to the farmers to increase their productivity. Likewise, my microbiology, biotechnology and chemistry students are working to purification techniques where we are providing the affordable techniques or affordable solution to the respective villagers for the purification of water. My students are also fabricate the biodegradable product as a sustainable future point of view. We already implement AI with the science. So currently my students are also working in the remote health sectors. They are also monitoring the pollutions by using the gadgets. And my students are also made the nanosensors, nanomaterials to sense the pesticides on the crop.
I think Silver Oak University and Silver Oak Institute of Science is doing a great work. You, as a dean of the institute, is doing a great work. All your faculties, all your students are doing a great work to make sure that the earth is pollution free. The earth has enough drinking water, and the soil is productive and gives more yield to the farmers. It was a very great discussion for me. I think you should definitely, if looking for an institute for yourself or for your siblings, for your children, you should definitely consider Silver Oak University, Silver Oak Institute of Science for their BSc program, for their MSc program. In case this video was helpful to you to come to a conclusion, please give it a like, comment what you liked about this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to the official YouTube channel of Silver Oak University, please do so. Thank you.